Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about XRP. If you enjoyed these updates, smash that like button. But now let's get right into it. So, starting off with this, a little RLUSD burning action on ETH and XRP ledger. And as we know, Brad Garlinghouse has been quite clear that we're not months away, we're weeks away until RLUSD launches. And again, a lot of anticipation about this, but as I say that, the next month of October, there's a lot of big dates coming. And is there a coincidence? Obviously, people have been discussing that, just the dates don't make any sense because all these dates are aligning. But you're starting to see that things are, going in the direction that a lot of people want the things to be going. So this is really nice to see that, we have seen RLUSD burning action on Ethereum and XRP ledger. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So going into Monday morning, as we know, over the past 24 hours, we did see a market cool off happening, but you're starting to see the market picking up traction once again going into Monday morning. You can see a lot of coins up quite a bit right now. Now, some coins up double digits, IMX up 13.5, Tau up 15.5. So you guys can see the market is starting to pick up traction once again because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin just a few hours ago actually reached almost $65,000. XRP's price is closing at 58.6 cents. Market cap is at about 33 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1 billion. But I really want to talk about this. So as we know, the elections are coming up. You could see Trump said, he'll pay off the debt with Bitcoin to crypto, which is insane. So really goes to show which candidate is obviously, referring to Bitcoin more in these conferences, isn't hesitant talking about, crypto and, seeing that, it is one of an asset class that is here to stay. Because of course, a few years back, it was iffy. People thought, crypto is not here to stay. It's just, time being. They did not see the long-term, potential of blockchain and crypto assets. And just, few years later, you're starting to see the same big institutions, banks that were talking negative about crypto that are coming and implementing crypto and actually picking up Bitcoin to hedge against inflation. So insane, times are changing. But with that said, as I said to you guys earlier, November is a very, very important month because of the elections. We know Trump has been, a pro-crypto, from the beginning, since he's been running this race. Hasn't shied away from talking publicly about Bitcoin. He even spoke at the Bitcoin conference. But what has changed is this, and this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So VP Harris says at a fundraiser on Wall Street that she will encourage innovative technologies like AI and digital assets while protecting our consumers and investors. But that's what regulation is there for, to obviously protect the consumers and investors. And going forward, you can see VP, Harris' first comments on crypto. To build that opportunity economy, I will bring together labor, small business, founders, and innovators and major companies. We will partner together to invest in America's competitiveness, to invest in America's future. But, people in the community are seeing, Harris is already in the office currently. So why is she or whoever the decision makers are, why are they not making these, decisions as of now? What is stopping them? These are some good questions being asked. Obviously, only time is going to tell, but what I want to know from you guys in the comments down below is, what do you think about this? Who do you think will, bring crypto to the masses? Because of course, if you're looking and if you're reading the news, tokenization is a key factor nowadays, in terms of, financial institution interest towards blockchain technology, stable coins. This is being discussed more than ever. And at the same time, you're looking at US dollar, you're looking at gold skyrocketing. Of course, interest rates have cut, CPI numbers have come better than expected, but gold is skyrocketing right now. And the US dollars, of course, there's a negative correlation between gold and the US dollar. But, people are, thinking that maybe there is something bigger that, we should be paying attention to rather than just the short term, rate cut that we're seeing. And that's why I've said from the beginning, that next year, I still do believe Q1, sometime in Q1, we do see the market top. But anyhow, let's continue to take a look at this. So you can see Swift launches systems to simplify tokenized assets transactions. Swift is upgrading its system to support real-time transfers of tokenized assets, linking blockchains, CBDCs, and fiat currencies for smooth global transactions. And, of course, people in the XRP community are saying, they're going to partner with XRP Ledger. And, some people from, Chainlink are saying, it's going to be powered by Chainlink. Obviously, only time is going to tell, but you could really see how tokenization is a key component moving forward. But let me know down below what you guys think about this, because, like I said, shift is really occurring right now in front of us. And yeah, I want to know from you guys in the comments as to what you think. If you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, on the other hand, it actually did go down today. As you can see, we were sitting at about 58% a few hours ago, but it actually did go towards the downside. Bitcoin, on the other hand, as mentioned, wicked all the way up to 64,800 going into Monday morning. And I do believe we will see this wick fill in, meaning that, we will actually see the price retesting that level in the upcoming hours ahead of us. Would not be surprised if we actually see that. But of course, do not be surprised at the fact that we actually saw a little bit of rejection at this point, because of course that is a resistance. So that is to be expected. As far as the price of XRP is concerned, it's still hovering above, the psychological key support. So far, so good. I know a lot of trolls want to see the explosive moves, towards, all-time highs, but you need to take it one step at a time. I know people are losing hope, but if you only have XRP in your portfolio, you are the one to blame, because of course you want to do your due diligence, research, invest what you can afford to lose, and always diversify your portfolio, because of course there's some coins that outpace certain coins, in, specific periods of the year. So in order for you to gain the momentum in your portfolio and actually maximize your gains, diversification is your number one key. But so far, so good. In terms of investor confidence, like I said, I've said this 1,000 of times, there's still a lot of money on the sidelines, because of course October 7th day is looming around. But I think leading up to that, we will really see what happens. So as of now, in terms of investor confidence, it's not there as much as you would like to see. But of course, let's see what happens one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys personally think about what I've shared. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.